everyone, welcome back to my podcast. I am Trisha and today we're going to talk about some really important matters that we all deal with every day. But maybe we don't always realize how much they impact us. So today, joining me are my amazing guests and I am excited for you to hear what they have to say. So let's get into it. This is Miss Pauline Joy de Chavez, Miss Janelle Fajardo, Miss Irish Villanueva, Mr. Ivan Cantos Jonas, Miss Janet Kahara, Miss Dorothy Joy Baheta, Mr. Luis Adam de la Cruz, and Mr. Rainier Manong Song. Okay, so I've been thinking a lot lately. Lately, I've been seeing more and more people getting really cautious about sharing their personal information online. Like, for example, when we sign up for a new application or a new website, we usually just click agree without even knowing or without even reading the content of what they're asking us to agree to.
For me, may naka-ano ko nun sa podcast ba yan, tawag din, or music stream. Gusto ko lang naman manood ng music tsaka manood ng video. Kaso, yung pag-click ko dun is like, nanghingi siya ng address, email, pati na rin ng credit card. Sabi ko, nagtaka ako bakit pa kailangan need ko lang naman ng video at manood, makinig ng music. So, ang ginawa ko naman is, pinilapang ko na lang siya. Like, ganun.
Exactly. You know what the worst? Sometimes we couldn't realize if yung mga details natin is mapupunta sa mga good hands na person. And imagine, paano na lang kung may mag-hack ng mga accounts natin and may makuha lahat yung mga information natin. It's like opening the door to the person or to someone to our life we don't even know. Yeah, that's scary. And I think that's where like our rights come in, right? We have the right to ask how they're going to use our data. Like what happens if they don't protect it? What if something goes wrong? Exactly, Trisha. The companies need to be transparent with our data. Many people don't even know they can ask questions or request changes. Trust, for me, trust isn't automatic. It has to be earned, right?
I've been reading about this too, and it's wild how some businesses handle data. So, kung ikaw ay isang bilang business owner and biglang nagkakaroon ng data breach, so you should tell everyone who was affected and that could be ruin your reputation. And that is a big deal, right?
Definitely. Pero what if in the middle of that, someone finds out your company's ideas, plans, or product that you ever have been launched before? That also could happen if you're not careful. It's like being super protective your personal stuff, but also your business stuff.
Yeah, like I remember working on a project with a new brand and we had to keep everything confidential. It would totally mess things up for us if someone were to use or steal our logo without permission. I guess that's where legal protection like trademarks and patents really matters.
And it's not just the business itself, and let's say someone copies your work, and let's say your business, the design itself, and syempre yung idea, and you end up losing your credit, and that is a disappointing moment, and it is very hard for us to get it back if someone uses your ideas itself.
So, tama Luis, kasi kaya mahalaga na malaman natin yung intellectual property rights kasi madami kasi isipin mo, pinaghirapan mo pero gagamitin ng iba nang hindi mo alam or parang aakuin nila yung gawa mo tapos sila pa yung kikita dahil dun sa ginawa mo. Tapos ang para sa akin ay sa lahat ng tao dito or sa tao doon sa buong mundo ay madami pang hindi nakakaalam tungkol doon. Kaya yung mga gawa nila ay usually or kadalasan naangkin ng iba. Kasi wala silang law or hindi nila nabibigyang halaga na dapat bigyan ng karapatan yung kanilang ginawa na ipangalan na sila yung gumawa nun or dapat sila lang yung pwedeng gumamit.
Umagri ako sa'yo doon. Lalo na yung mga small innovators, business, creators, and other terms. Yung mga nag-i-invest, alam mo ba, wala silang proper protection minsan. Like, yung idea nila, hindi nila pinapapatent. Or sometimes, ang iniisip nila, malitan yung business nito. Kaya hindi na kailangan ng legal protections. But eventually, it can lead a huge loss.
So it's like we need to be aware not just as consumers but as well as creators or businesses. Protecting our data and ideas is the key. We always think of the obvious risk like identity theft. But we sometimes forget that our ideas or businesses also need protection, right? Yeah, that's right. And we're talking about personal data here. But thinking about social media too, sometimes we have something we posted in the public, syempre, and we use without permission or worse, without taking a credit of it, and that is intellectual property too, right? That's such a good point. Protecting our data isn't enough. It's our work, efforts, and we should be the ones deciding how it gets used. Yeah, I guess it all boils down this. We're living in a time where both our personal information and our ideas are at risk. And we need to take action. Whether we're consumers or creators, we need to be smart about protecting both.
Exactly. As a consumer, if we see something fishy and or with our data or someone using it without the or against the intellectual property rights of others, we need to have some power to do like we report it kasi parang pangaagaw yun sa pagmamay-ari natin. Kaya and siguro yun lang.
And for the business or creators, make sure that you understand the importance of knowing the protection in your ideas or your work, whether it is personal or ideas itself that you spent years in developing it. Take unnecessary steps and also take a step to protect it.
I totally agree with you, Mr. Luis. It all comes down to being informed and taking action when needed. All right, before we wrap things up, any final thoughts from the group?
Just always be mindful. Your data, your ideas, they are valued. They just hand them out without a thinking.
Yeah, don't be afraid to ask questions. Demand transparency. And the most important is protect your work.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power. Especially when it comes in our personal info and our creations. Thanks guys. This was such an insightful conversation. To our listeners, I hope this episode helped you see just how much control you can have over your personal information and intellectual property. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, protect what's yours. Until next time. Ivan Jonas. Ivan Jonas. Di ba calling yun? Ano ba? Buti ka na,
Ako pa ba? Ako pa ba?
So ito kayo, huwag mo na. Huwag ka na lang ito eh. Walang naman.
Pwede na makikat yun.